Welcome to Hart Energy and Stratas Advisors What's Affecting Oil Prices for the week of July 10th, 2017.
For 2 weeks, we've seen prices pop and then retreat as oversupply concerns weigh. Despite a larger than expected draw last week, traders closed out their positions quickly and pushed prices back into neutral territory. For the week ahead, we expect prices to be under pressure, with Brent averaging around $45.50. We also expect the Brent WTI differential to widen, trading between $250 and $270 with respect to the September contract. In terms of inventories, we are expecting that crude will only see slight movements compared with last week, likely flat to drawing 1 million barrels as crude runs offset supply increases. Venezuela continues to escalate, but no clear indications of supply disruptions on the horizon, keeping geopolitics a neutral factor. The relationship between crude oil and the dollar remains incredibly weak in the face of more overwhelming factors like sentiment and fundamentals. As such, we see the dollar as a neutral factor this week. Managed money raised net long positions the week of July 3rd, but not enough to drive bullish sentiment. Technical indicators such as Bollinger Bands and RSI indicated we're still stuck in bearish territory as well. Last week, the number of operating oil rigs in the United States increased by 7 according to the weekly report from Baker Hughes. OPEC exports reportedly increased 2 million barrels per day year on year in June, despite the organization allegedly lowering production. These key factors will keep supply as a negative input. EIA product supply numbers were healthy last week. While it was not enough to stem the fall in crude, these data are setting up to be more bullish in the second half of the year. Refining margins were mixed last week, keeping them as a neutral factor.
This weekly report is an excerpt from our short-term price outlook service analysis. For more information, please contact us.
To stay up to date on the most recent Hart Energy videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking here.